guys, I'm so out there, and today I just went there and I'm gonna sing Way Sign Up. Uh, oh, oh. Okay, guys, don't put inside that. Oh my. Okay, you're getting some more. Oh, now it's silent. Still okay, good. Yeah. Now I can get this thing out. Oh my god. I got guys. I still have it upside down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh! Okay. It's not good. Fake good.
What about the turkey, Gannon?
What cook?
Right there, to the left of your plate.
Yes, if I caught you that, no. Well, yeah. Ow, ow. Good. Okay.
What's in there?
Now it's something. What does that? Oh, we'll make some go after that.
The red pepper?
Yes, I did. And now I get some pepper that I know that person. Let go. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Listen to that. If I go through it. Oh, my God. Oh. Okay, guys. No, I get to it. Oh, my God. Oh, my. Don't start that hole. Okay. I got the new item that was so guys there. Oh.
You want to show them some experience or experiments?
Yeah.
Which one?
I do it.
Experiment?
Oh my God. Oh. I decided to say what. And I got to that. Oh my God.
What's in there, Gannon?
Oh my.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's seeds.
Okay.
Are you going to lick the seeds?
No.
Don't touch them.
There, those are.
I wonder what they feel like.
I don't know. That no thing like that. Well, that's the way it said. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. See that guy? Oh my God. Oh! Okay, guy. I'm gazing all time. Okay, goodbye. And goodbye, guys. Come on, and so say goodbye. So, oh my God, well, goodbye.